Hey, what's up YouTube? Fritz Jones Investing back with another video, and today we're talking about 5 different financial goals that you should have for your 20s and beyond. The reason why I chose your 20s is because this will give you the most amount of time to accumulate wealth and also prepare for early retirement and financial freedom. So if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. With all that said, let's get right to the video. The first financial goal for your 20s would be to accumulate as much as you can in an emergency fund. You should have at least 6 months worth of expenses saved in an emergency fund just in case things happen. Dave Ramsey, the king of emergency funds, has 4 different tips to help you in that endeavor. And these include selling something, taking advantage of one-time opportunities such as online surveys, taking a secondary job, and also cutting down on your budget such as turning down the thermostat, clipping coupons, or canceling unused subscriptions. For me personally, I have about $8,000 saved up in an Allied Bank savings account. This offers me around 8 months worth of emergency expenses saved. Allied Bank offers a 0.5% APY right now through all their savings tiers, and this is pretty good compared to other online banks. I take comfort in knowing that I have this money saved up so that way I can stay calm, cool, collected, continue throughout my life, and not have to take on high interest debt to be able to further fund my expenses. A second goal for your 20s should be to pay off as much debt as possible, more specifically high interest credit card debt. Credit card APRs can range anywhere from 15 up to 40% usually. I have 2 different credit cards right now, one through Capital One, which offers a 28% APR, and then I have the Apple card, which offers a 15.99% APR. I have balances of around $400 each on those credit cards, purchasing Christmas gifts for the family, things of that nature. So at the first of the year, I'll be able to pay off both of those balances so I won't accrue any kind of interest, and I can use that money to further invest in other endeavors. I also have debt through my student loans. I entered the year owing around $9,000. I brought this amount down to around $6,500 as of the middle of this month. I hopefully hope to pay this debt off throughout the year. I did become kind of lazy and complacent because there was some student loan repayments that were paused till January 31st of 2021. So personally, I have to do a better job of that. But if you have any kind of other debts, I recommend that you pay those off so that way you can get that weight off your shoulders, but you can get that off your credit report and then use that money for other financial endeavors and hopefully becoming financially free in your future. A third goal for your 20s would be to try to increase your credit score and make it as high as possible. A high credit score shows that you're responsible with the money that's loaned out to you, but it can also qualify you for lower interest rates on a various amount of things such as car payments, qualifying for utilities and apartments, and also low interest mortgage rates. One of my goals for the future is to invest in real estate, and I need a high credit score in order to be able to do that so that way I can get the lowest mortgage as possible. NerdWallet offers 4 different ways in which you can increase your credit score, and this includes making your payments on time, paying off your balances in full, limiting your credit utilization to less than 30%, and also avoid closing credit card accounts as much as possible. A fourth financial tip for your 20s would be to grow your money passively and through compound interest by investing in some sort of vehicle such as in a business or investing in the stock market. Now, I'm not an investment professional, so I'd advise you to talk to a tax professional or an investment professional because I don't want you to lose your hard-earned money. Personally, I invest in Robinhood. I invested $10,000 as of last December, and I've turned that into $30,000 as of this December. And I've had over a 28% return since investing my money into the stock market. I'd like to invest in high quality companies that are growing their revenues each and every year and also growing their earnings. And some of the companies that I invest in actually pay dividends or money just for investing in that company. So I would like to continue to increase my profits and also increase my passive income over the year so I don't have to depend on my job as much in my future. Another way in which I'm investing my money is through a Roth IRA. This allows you to use the money that you've already paid taxes on to invest in the stock market. This is VT Sachs, which is basically one of their mutual funds. Right now, the price is around $93.91. I currently own 60 shares of this, and I got in for an average price of $70.65. The value is $5,661, and I've had a total return of 32%. Just by investing my money in this. Now, when I withdraw this money when I'm 59 and a half, I'll be able to have 100% of this money tax-free because I've already paid the taxes on this money. So I would advise you to consult a tax professional, but definitely look into the Roth IRA as a vehicle in order to invest your money. A fifth tip for financial freedom starting in your 20s would be to diversify your income. The average millionaire has over 7 streams of income. Right now I have 4, so I have a lot of catching up to do. I've been very fortunate in order to still have my job even through this pandemic and actually have an opportunity to earn extra money through overtime hours. So by working in the healthcare industry, it's given me like a first mover's advantage in order to help defeat this illness, which I hope that we will one day be able to defeat with these vaccines. But I'm very thankful for active income, and that's one of the streams in which I make my income. Another way is through my dividends by investing in the stock market. Just for owning some of my stocks, they pay me a dividend either monthly or quarterly, which is every 3 months, just by investing in that company. And then also capital gains. So whenever my companies increase in value, such as Tesla, which has increased over $1,900 in value, I'm able to kind of make money that way without having to do any extra work. And then the fourth stream of income is obviously through my savings account. By investing my money in that, they pay me a little bit just for holding money in that account. 0.5% APY, not much, but still another stream of income. Totally forgot another stream of income that I have that I just got this year is from YouTube. So every time somebody watches one of my videos, I'm able to get a little bit of passive income without me having to do really much extra work. So I thank each and every one of my subscribers. And I also want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch one of my videos. YouTube is definitely a great stream of income, and I would love to spread the message of financial freedom because I believe everyone deserves that. If you found this video helpful and valuable today, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I would love to hear your thoughts about the video. What are you doing to help prepare yourself for early retirement and also gain financial independence in your future? Are you invested in a savings account or an emergency fund? How are you paying down your debts? Also, are you investing in the stock market or do you have your own business? What are you doing to increase your credit score? And also, in what ways are you diversifying your income? I would love to hear what you have to say. I believe everyone deserves financial freedom, and I would love everyone to be able to retire early and also have enough money to be able to live and make more money in their future. I believe everybody in the United States deserves this, or everybody around the world deserves this kind of opportunity. So with all that said, please don't forget to stay safe out there. Keep washing your hands, practice that social distancing, wear your masks, and stay safe out there. And also, please don't forget to keep getting that passive income. This has been Fritz Jones Investing with another update. Wishing you the best of luck in 2021. Hope you had a very Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you next time. What's up, Fritz Jones Investing, back with another video. And if you're still hanging around, I have some videos that you might want to watch, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, there's some playlists for some financial videos that could help you get on the path of financial freedom. Thanks for watching.